What is plasma? Well, plasma is a state of matter. Mainly, matter exists in three physical states or phase, which is solid, liquid, and gas. Sir William Crookes discovered plasma in 1879. He used an assembly that is today known as a Crookes tube. But Sir J.J. Thomson identified the nature of the matter in 1897, thanks to his discovery of electrons and numerous experiments using cathode ray tubes. However, it was Irving Langmuir coined the term plasma, which reminded him of blood plasma. Moving on to the properties of plasma. Plasma is a hot ionized gas consisting of approximately equal numbers of positively charged ions and negatively charged electrons, which make the plasma neutral. A hot gas passing through a big spark will turn the gas stream into plasma that can be useful. This means that the plasma can flow like a liquid, or it can contain areas that are like clumps of atoms sticking together. Did you know a neon light and fluorescent light contain plasma? I bet no. Well, the flowing of plasma through the lights can be achieved by the chemical mechanism of plasma, which performed by free radicals and byproducts. Gas discharge tubes are used in those lights. It is an ionized gas consisting of equal concentrations of positive and negative charges and a large number of neutral species. In the simplest case, it is formed by applying a potential difference between two electrodes that are inserted in a cell or reactor. Due to the potential difference, electrons that are emitted from the cathode are accelerated away to give rise to collisions with the gas atoms or molecules. This process makes that gas discharge plasma typically emits a characteristic glow called glow discharge. Therefore, also the ionization collisions create ion-electron pairs. The ions are accelerated toward the cathode, where they release secondary electrons. These electrons are accelerated away from the cathode and can give rise to more ionization collisions. In its simplest way, the combination of secondary electron emission at the cathode and ionization in the gas gives rise to self-sustained plasma. Physical plasma is a result of the charged ionic species gaining sufficient kinetic energy from the applied electric field to perform sputtering. Through energy transfer, partial molecules and atoms are sputtered from the surface, resulting in contaminant removal from the substrate surface. An example of physical plasma would be the electric arc. An electric arc is a visible plasma discharge between two electrodes that is caused by electrical current ionizing gases in the air. An electric arc is the form of electric discharge with the highest current density. An arc between two electrodes can be initiated by ionization and glow discharge as the current flow through the electrodes is increased. A drawn arc can be initiated by two electrodes initially in contact and drawn apart. Electrical resistance along the continuous electric arc creates heat, which ionizes more gas molecules. The gas is gradually turned into thermal plasma, or known as thermal equilibrium. Electric arcs are used for welding, plasma cutting, electrical discharge machining.